Ano nga ba ang mga fundamental concepts na dapat nating may sa puso para hindi tayo mahirapan sa mga subjects natin sa engineering, especially sa structural analysis and design? Marami yan, pero for now, bigay tayo ng 4. Una na dyan, dapat matuto tayo how to plot and break down forces into its component. Sample, we have here 10 kN at 30 degrees. Let's say na-plot na natin siya. I will make another lecture para sa bawat fundamental concept natin dito. For now, ibibigay lang muna natin yung mga ideas. Okay, so first is to plot, and then next is dapat marunong tayo how to break down forces. This is to simplify our analysis later on. So let's say yung Fx and Fy, and this is just the magnitude. Always take note na a force is a vector, so dapat natin i-consider pati yung kanyang direction. The usual sign convention natin is upward positive and to the right positive. Okay, kapag kabisado na natin yan, kailangan sumunod na makabisado natin is how to solve for the rotational effect of a force na kadalasan tinatawag natin, or most of the time, moment. Wherein meron tayong isang force and then it rotates at a certain point. To solve for the moment at that certain point, let's say point O, ang formula lang naman natin dyan is force times the perpendicular distance, and that will give us the magnitude. For the direction, ang usual sign convention natin dyan, positive kapag clockwise, negative naman kapag counterclockwise. Once na kabisado na natin yung dalawa, pupunta na tayo sa pangatlong fundamental concept, which is to use those two to simplify a force system na kadalasan tinatawag nating resultant. Ang purpose ng pag-simplify natin ng force system is so that at a glance, makita na natin yung pinaka-overall effect ng mga forces doon sa object. Sample, given this figure, hindi natin alam kung ano yung overall effect ng mga force na yan sa object natin kapag wala tayong support. Okay? So, para mas makita natin, we're going to simplify that. Just like this one. As we can see, kitang-kita na natin yung overall effect niya. The body, due to the forces, will go upward to the right, and at the same time, will rotate in a counterclockwise motion kapag wala tayong support. Parang paganyan. And to solve for the single force or single moment that will represent those forces, kailangan lang naman natin ng Rx and Ry. And then using Varignon's Pythagorean theorem to solve for the resultant force, and then Varignon's theorem naman to solve for the resultant moment. And the last concept na para sa akin is the most important one is dapat marunong tayo na mag-free body diagram and how to maintain equilibrium. Let's say we have here a simply supported beam which is acted upon by a force 10 kN. To analyze this, we first need to draw the free body diagram of the support reaction which maintains equilibrium. So para sa support A, hinge yan, so meron yung vertical and horizontal component. And to get the total reaction, Pythagorean theorem lang. Para naman sa support B, dahil roller yan, meron lang tayong isang reaction dyan, and then that is perpendicular to the surface. Now na meron na tayong free body diagram, we can now use the equilibrium equation, which is just parehas nun sa resultant kanina. Pero sa ngayon, i-equate na natin yung Rx or summation of forces sa x to 0. Same with summation of forces sa y, and then summation of moment. I-equate na rin natin sa 0. So ito yung 4 fundamental concept na pagkabisado natin ay mapapadali tayo sa mga subject natin under structural analysis and design. Okay? So see you ulit sa iba pa nating lecture video. If you like our lectures, kindly like and follow our page. Pakishare na rin yung ating video para mas madami tayong matulungan. Okay, see you!